Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Style Protocol token. Now this token is being listed soon on a central exchange, brand new listing. Ticker symbol is Style. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second, but before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that. Just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us. So check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So the Style Protocol token is being listed soon on a central exchange called Mexc Global. It gets listed April 20th at 8 o'clock UTC time. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search Style, which is the ticker symbol, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy, and it'll be available on April 20th at 8 o'clock UTC time. So Style Protocol's vision is to become the go-to multiverse backbone that helps maximize the utility and value of smart digital assets and virtual goods. Their official webpage is protocol.style. You can find their Etherscan. It says their max total supply is 920 million Style tokens. So if we head over to their Etherscan right now, it says they only have 32 holders. So I would assume this is probably their initial listing here coming on Mexc Global. They might get other listings at the same time, but there is a Kickstarter event also going on Mexc Global that you can get involved with on April 19th. And you can find information about the voting period for this Kickstarter event on Mexc Global's Twitter at Mexc_global. So there is 18 decimal places on this token here. Now, if you head to their official webpage, you can click on Learn More. There's documentation. There's a white paper, pitch deck, roadmap, token information. There's a audit on here. You can check out a full audit. News articles, products, creator funds, earn Style tokens. There's all sorts of different things on here. So Style SDK empowers developers to build their own applications using the Style Protocol technology. It includes various SDKs, APIs, and examples that make it easy to design and build Web3 applications on top of the Style Protocol. So it says getting started. To use Style SDK's ecosystem products, you will need the following. So you need to understand what the Style Protocol white paper is, all the information in there, and they have a link to their white paper. So their white paper seemed pretty lengthy. 21 pages of very tiny print on here. Now, let's see here. So we'll go over the main information here, though. We won't have to read everything, obviously. Style Protocol aims to bring monetization and utility to any virtual asset in any game, metaverse, or virtual world. Based on NFT sub-licensing mechanisms, the protocol enables true interoperability of virtual assets and NFTs across such multiverses. When imagining a future with multiple virtual and augmented reality metaverses as potential markets for utilizing and monetizing digital assets, one envisions a mix of decentralized and centralized platforms. The multitude of these worlds will lead to intransparency and barriers that impede how digital assets can be of utility and grow value beyond borders. Such digital assets range from artwork or any form of virtual items with a certain utility and or connection to physical objects or virtual skins, pets, virtual fashion, and beyond. There will inevitably be both a strong need for interoperability, meaning the desire to move things seamlessly between multiverses, and forms of monetization for some even small parties involved. Hence, there lies a considerable opportunity bridging metaverses and transforming items to interoperability between multiple worlds, aka the multiverse. Style Protocol aims to be the hub that bridges the current gap between Web3 and example gaming companies and others to create interoperability and cross-multiverse utilization while being embedded in play rent-to-earn principles and guilds, always assuring decentralized frameworks. The goal is to further enhance users, players, customers to utilize assets they create, own, or repeatedly use across metaverses and games. The Style Protocol's vision is to become the go-to multiverse backbone that helps maximize the utility and value of smart digital assets and goods. So Style is the protocol's native utility token. It has a definition section here if you want to learn what digital assets are, virtual assets, metaverse, virtual world, all this stuff. They have so much information on their white paper here that you could go over it forever. But let's skip down to the important parts. If you go to their webpage, like I said, you can click on Roadmap, and that's going to tell you the goals here. Very lengthy roadmap, but yeah, basically when they're all coming out with their utility. So eventually there is going to be DAO voting rights here, decentralized autonomous organization voting rights, staking, there's going to be staking, all sorts of stuff on here. And then there is the full audit you could check out, and then the token information. It says here that this token, okay, so the launch date just in general, it says, is on April 20th, so it doesn't look like you can get it anywhere else until it gets launched April 20th, and like I said, it'll be available on Mexc Global. So there's going to be NFTs, obviously. Token allocation is on here. It's basically split up between public token launch liquidity on central exchanges, ecosystem growth, strategic investments, development, community creator funds, advisory support, investors, all stages in company treasury, and founders and early employees. And besides that, if you want to get early news on token launch, you could subscribe to a newsletter. There's a contact email on here. There's a Discord, Twitter, and a LinkedIn that you could check out as well. And you can find all of this at protocol.style. And you can find this token newly listed on Mexc Global April 20th. So if you want to check out their giant white paper, feel free. You can find it on their webpage. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their utility and info is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day. Peace.